In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset GoPro action camera. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, I have on my hand is GoPro 8. So it's work every GoPro model. So first of all, turn it on by pressing power buttons. After that, it's turning on and preparing to open options here, and as you can see, it has 87% charge, so make sure it has enough charge. So just slide down for performance and tap on performance and swipe off for the bottom side, and as you can see, this is the reset. Then tap on reset and you can format SD card or reset preset or reset camera tips, but I'm going to resetting format factory reset. So tap on factory reset. That's mean it's resetting everything. Then tap again with reset and it's resetting started, and you need to wait few moments, and now it's open GoPro logo, so it's start freshly. So you after that you can choose your language. I'm selecting English, then tap on tick mark, then legal stuff, just agree, and GPS turn off or on, yes, on. After that you need to download GoPro apps on your smartphone, then it's completing the process. Or you can use by without apps, so just tap on arrow key and skip setup, then set time, like today is 9 or 10 month, sorry, 10 and 10 2023, and it is time about 1 a.m. so 12:50 a.m. so you have to set date is important because file number is depend on the date. So it's now ready to use. Now I can shoot this video like that. So as you can see, it's recording. So press and again to stop, so I can check the video file. Okay, as you can see, it's recorded. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.